Okay, fellas, Ben back again. This is where I am at right now, and this is just going to be another of those exploration rides. Figure places out. I've been doing that for ages. Don't really remember when I started it, but it's been about 10 plus years of 10, maybe not more than that, 15 years, almost 15 years of me just zooming into Google Earth and then figuring out where to go, what to do. So if you guys see, this is where I am at right now. There is a lake on this side behind the bushes. There's a huge lake, and then this road continues. And the funny thing is, if you guys watch closely, there you go. If you see this trail, there's something going this way, and then take a right turn there, and then blah blah blah, get into the forest, deserted land, and then maybe figure your way out or come back. Well, this is huge, unlike how it seems. This is huge. This is a huge area, and yeah, you could get lost, but if you have a good sense of your bearings, then you could definitely be the explorer. Adventure is for people who have a positive attitude about things, who don't really panic, and who don't have severe anxiety creep in. It's only for them. Adventure is not for everybody. But that being said, I might get lost today, and I'll be okay with it. It's because it's 4 p.m. now, and I am willing to take that risk. So I'll try and get in and then track back. The Himalayan's compass comes in handy. I forgot to wear my watch today. The GPS in the watch is just amazing. So you can use that, and you can get back to where you started from. Knee down. Whoa! The knobbies don't support cornering. So yeah, we'll see where this takes us. Lovely landscape. I've been here once. I've not taken this route. I've gone straight on this road. I've not taken this route, but I might lose network at any point of time, so I have to be very, very careful. This is almost where we have to take a right. Almost there. Almost there. There you go. This seems to be the way. Throttle control. Body positioning. I'm not wearing my riding pants as well, so I have to be a lot more careful here. Can't afford to have a crash. Ho ho ho! Crazy! Wow! Where does this take me? Does it even take me anywhere? Stick to the goat path. These routes have been carved intentionally by the locals. They will always take you somewhere. Oh, what would this be? Something coming up. Whoa. Somebody's property. Okay, let's not go there. Let's try this. Where does this lead to? Wow. Wow. Woohoo! So, yeah, this is what I do. It's no big deal. I know it's child's play. Anyone and everyone can do this. I know, but very few are willing to. That's the funny part. It's nothing that I did now. But all said and done, very few are willing to try even this. Because of one thing, fear of getting lost. Humans are funny. In company, they run their mouths, they brag, they talk all sorts of things about themselves. But when they're alone, they're reduced to nothing. And especially these days. These days, nobody likes to be alone. Nobody understands what it is to be alone anymore, you know. So, well, that is the machine. Crazy ass machine. Just takes me anywhere and everywhere. Anywhere I point at, the machine just is willing to take me there. Okay, so the Himalayan and a quick short trip. Finally. Ouch. Out. That's the thing. If you guys got some understanding of direction, then you can just go about anywhere you please. Just about anywhere.